In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a gift card to make a purchase on eBay. Let's dive right into it and make the most of your gift card balance. First things first, we need to open up the Chrome browser on your computer or device. Whether you're on a laptop, desktop, or even a tablet, launching Chrome will kickstart the process. If you're not already logged in, proceed by heading over to eBay's official website. Once you're there, it's time to log into your account. Simply enter your username and password and you're in. This allows you to access all your eBay account features and make a smooth transaction. Now that you're in, it's time to add items to your cart. As you browse through the eBay marketplace, find those products that catch your eye. For each item you wish to purchase, look for the Add to Cart button, usually located near the price of the item. Clicking this button will place the items into your virtual shopping cart, much like you would in a physical store. Don't hesitate to take your time with this step. Make sure to check product details and reviews to ensure you're selecting exactly what you want. With the item safely in your cart, proceed to checkout. The checkout button is generally located at the top of the web page, often in the form of a cart icon. Click it to review your selected items, check quantities, and make any necessary adjustments. Once you confirm everything looks good, you'll reach the part of the process where you select your payment method. Here you'll see various options, but what we're interested in today is using a gift card. Locate and select gift card as your preferred payment method. Typically, this option will be available alongside debit, credit, and other payment methods. This is where the magic of using your gift card begins. Now, find your gift card code, which may be on a physical card or in a digital format, perhaps sent to you via email. Carefully enter the gift card code into the designated field on the payment page. Make sure to double check the numbers and letters to avoid any errors. Click Apply to apply the gift card code to your purchase, which will promptly update your payment balance. If successful, you'll see the gift card amount deducted from your total. Finally, it's time to complete your purchase. Review your order summary, ensuring the total amount reflects your gift card balance. If you're ready to finalize the transaction, hit Confirm Purchase or whatever similar prompt is given. This action will process your order using the available gift card funds. And there you have it. You've successfully used a gift card to make a purchase on eBay. Enjoy your hassle-free shopping experience, and remember that using a gift card is a great way to manage your spending and make the most of your gifts. Thank you for following along, and happy shopping!